there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this guide, I'll show you how can you delete TikTok account. To delete your TikTok account, you just have to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing first, you want to open up the TikTok application and log into your account. And once you're logged in, you'll be taken to this page, and here what you have to do is to actually go ahead and delete your account. Click the profile initials from the bottom right hand side corner, and then you want to click on the try bar icon from the top right and go to settings and privacy. As you are on this page, what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and simply click on the account options. While you're on the account section, you want to go to the bottom of the page and click on deactivate or delete account. As you do it, so you'll be taken to this page where you could go ahead and click on delete account permanently, now depending on your preferences. And once you've actually done it, so what next you want to do is give a reason for deleting the account, and what next you want to do is click on continue. As you've actually done it, so you will be taken to the next page and click on whether you want to download a data. As if you don't want to do it, so you want to click on the tick button at the bottom of the page and click on continue. As you've done it, so you'll be then taken to this page. Once again, click the continue button. Now enter in the 6-digit code that is being sent to your a registered email address or a contact number. Once you are done entering it, click the delete account option and you'll have successfully deleted your TikTok account. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.